when you run this Java applet, you will create a map and load all the earthquakes into the map. So here we have the earthquakes in the past 7 days, and we only have the earthquakes whose magnitudes are larger than 2.5 because we don't want ourselves to be overwhelmed by too many small earthquakes. You can read lots of informations about the earthquakes in this map. For example, if an earthquake is on land or in ocean. You can also read the symbols here, like different colors. So you know if an earthquake is shallow, intermediate, or deep. I will leave this figure reading to you, but there are some interactive functionalities I really like to mention here. So the first is if you hover over the marker, and it will give you some additional information. So for example, here you see the magnitude of the earthquake is 5.1, and this earthquake is cataloged into south of Africa. And if you click it, all the other markers will be gone, and you can focus on this earthquake. And you click it again, all the markers will be back. So let's select another earthquake, for example, this one. And if you click it, you can see our city marker here is being displayed. This is because we use some simple equation to calculate if a city will be affected by the earthquake. Let's choose another one, for example. If we click this city marker, this is actually Bangkok, and you can see there are two earthquakes that can possibly affect this city. And in the study of seismology, sometimes you are only interested in a very specific region, and you just want to know the earthquakes in that specific region. I developed the functionality for this purpose. So the first thing is you press the key S, and then you enter the selection mode. Here you can see the panel here, so you know now you're in the selection mode, and you will click the mouse first to select the first point. So let's click it, and then you need to click the mouse again to select the second point. And these 2 points will define the box, and that box is the region of interest. And you can see the summary information on the box on the top right here. You can see there are 4 events being selected, and here are the latitude range and longitude range of the selected region. And if you are not satisfied with the selection, just press the key Q to exit the selection mode, and press the key S again to enter the selection mode. So in this case, I want to select all the earthquakes in this large region. I think this is the East Africa, and include the the ocean region. So now we can see there are 8 events being selected, and I'm happy with this selection. And I can just right-click the mouse, and it will save the information of all these selected earthquakes into a JSON file. And we can open the JSON file to check the saved information. Yeah, so here you can see the depth, magnitude, location, and some other information for the circular earthquakes. That's pretty much it.